Oh yeah.
He's going for the same combo. It's scary standing out there wobbling around, but he makes two. And he comes back down, stands on the tape. He's got both these riders watching up. Aaron Dwight, this big deal. One in some circles. You're gonna see it starting to go round and round. Put those hands together. These guys start taking these tricks and put them together for y'all. Aaron Dwight moving all around with the handoff. He's manhandling 190 horsepower. Closer to that BMW around the rear tire. Still going, Aaron with the hands off still. He's locked in low. You guys gotta start counting. Where's Teach at? I can't hear Teach.
Always know where that clutch at.
Ladies and gentlemen, taking 10 circles first is going to be Aaron Dwight, just sneaking it out by about a half a circle. And Aaron Dwight showing those victories, and we're going to go in 3, 2, 1, go. He's for the big lead, but he's slowing down, going for the inside line. He's going to hold on to it, bringing that BMW across the line first. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Chris Nicholson. You can see him go round and around the flamingo, taking the hands off. You can see he's got some pretty brave photographers just sitting down there right next to Teach, grabbing some pictures. That's a good idea. You might want to get out of the way. Teach coming back down, all the way down towards that Red Bull arch, topping off, sliding on the inside, and come back down with a big one-handed stopping all the way down to the far end. Bring him back down, standing on the seat, getting really sketchy. And he was going to bring it down. He's going to do one last round. Come back down as he pulls behind that front tire all the way down to the far end.
You see that thing right
Ladies
there?
and gentlemen, put your hands together here. Playing a big stopping all the way down to that corner as well. Coming back down with that big one-hander. Bringing it down with the double-handed lander. You can see these guys slipping and sliding around. Aaron Dwight all the way up on top of the gas tank. And Aaron Dwight with that big high chair coming over. And Aaron Dwight jumping all the way up into a big spreader, coming back down. Check out all of our photographers. You're going to see a lot of these pictures. Down into a big stoppie, rolling all the way down into our Red Bull arch, tapping our barricade. He takes off into the far end into a big stoppie, all the way down towards the wall. This guy jumping all the way up into a big surfer, down in the tanks as he comes down into our arch area. He'll take it off right down to the far end, and again into a big stoppie all the way around. Kangaroo in that bike, getting up in the air as he's going to bring it around to the left. He's got the hands up. Put yours together for Aaron Dwight. Running out of space, making a little bit of contact with our barrier. And again, you see him launching right up, coming down into a big spreader with that ball. Launches it up. Let's see if he can bring it around for some circles. He locks it into that circle set. Big high chair. Bringing it out, almost taking out our banners. Getting close to that wall. And he comes in as well, really nice and tall. Getting a giant kangaroo stoppie all the way around as he clutches right back up. Going to the right. You can see him tucking down low as he gets close to the wall. He's going to try to get that foot plant again. He keeps spinning. You see him on the outside of the bike, jumping to the inside, still going. And again, right over the barriers for that barrier stall. We only see a couple of those pictures up on Twitter. Make sure you're tagging them at XDL Show and at Motorcycle Shows, at Aaron Dwight. Aaron Dwight sitting down, doing some serious work, not one to loosen the teacher today. And again with another foot plant off the barricade. Bring Aaron Dwight back down. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands in for Aaron Dwight. Staged up. They're going to head down to that far end first. So keep those hands together. Make some noise for our XCL Street Jam riders. Aaron Dwight, Chris T. McNeil. It was a big sit down on the far wall, side by side. This time, each stand on the seat. Aaron Dwight, high chair. Both riders coming down towards our arch. You can see how close these guys are getting. It's scary in here. There's both riders coming up to the seat stand there. Coming up the spreader, both on the tank. They're going to come in side by side. This time, Teach not go for it. Aaron Dwight all the way up on top. Teach knows better as they square off. And they're going to turn around one more time. They're going to celebrate out of the far end. Both riders up on the front tire, down to the far wall. Teach making contact with the front helmet. Aaron Dwight in deep in the corner. And again up on the front tires, they play a little follow the leader. Aaron Dwight with the wall stall right between the Red Bull arch. Teach right behind him. Teach clutching up. Aaron Dwight clutching up. This is your last wheelie set right now for 11 a.m. You guys keep those hands together for our XDL Street Jam riders. Getting really close, almost making contact. Aaron Dwight almost getting Teach. And again, too close. Teach taking off Aaron Dwight. Ladies and gentlemen, your XDL Street Jam riders, Aaron Dwight and Chris Teach McNeil. We want to say a big thank you, you guys, for coming out and enjoying the show. We'd also like to thank the Progressive International Motorcycle Shows for bringing us out and allowing us to entertain you. We invite all of you guys to come right over to our white Yamaha tent. We'll have both of those riders signing autographs, shaking hands, kissing babies. So make sure you come on over, say hi to these guys. They've been putting in some work. They've got 3 more shows left.